Lulu Hypermart and Bin Omran, Doha, Qatar. We're here at Lulu Hypermart at Bin Omran or in Bin Omran to grocery shopping for today's celebration of, New Year. We are going to welcome 2026. So we're going to buy some food that we will cook for dinner before we welcome the New Year. Okay? Yan, no, na-miss ko ang Lulu Hypermart. Dito ako nagpa-park natin. Diyan. Ano meron sa mga bottles? Ito. May mga pang-recycle, whatever.
Bakit?
O ano nangyari? Bakit siya bumalik? So, inside the new Hypermart now. Oh my God, it's been 5 years since the last time I was here. It's the same, but I don't know about the prices. Of course, maybe it's higher now.
Oh, there's no card.
And
Later.
Tala! Saan si Papa Jun? Thank you. Not allowed daw. Why? Before naman, ano? Yeah. Bawal dahil hindi naman ako naka-on kanina. Ito yung mga sale. It's bawal daw eh. Baka may mahagip eh. Uy, ito yung favorite kong mayonnaise. That's the price.
Hindi pa alam naman.
Ito yan yung price ng side here.
Na?
Yan. And there's the fish Ay, may mga binibili ko dati.
Anong bibili?
Diyan ako may bili ng fish before. Dati may kilala kami dito sa fish station. Si Louie. Shout out to Louie. Dito ka dati nag-work, Louie. Ayan yung mga meat. Ayan. So, the price of the hipon. Naku, dati mura lang to. Pero mura pa rin. Hipon per kilo. Mura pa din. Compared sa Philippines, mas mahal siya. Meat products, chicken. Yeah, I'm here. Paras, I thought you were somewhere else. Ay, sorry. On charcuterie.
Oh, ito.
That's so expensive
Ay,
naman.
dito lang pala yan.
Turkey.
Ito. Turkey.
How much?
Tapos ito.
Ito, mura lang ang pistachio turkey. This is also mura lang 3 reals. 7 times 15 or 16. Buying some salamis, hams for my charcuterie. So what they have here. It's turkey. Mas mura pa rin yung nakuha ko. Ito yung brand mura. This is the brand I want. So, this is where I buy olives here in Lulu. Merong cheap lang dito. You can buy per kilo. Ito, this is already cut. Ayun, yung gusto ko, yung pitted. Ayun na, I bought a worth 5 real. Olives. Naway na ni Kuya. Ayan. Thank you po. Salamat. Happy New Year. Let's get some pepperoni. Medyo the pepperoni is a bit pricey here. I think dito sa area, mostly beef. budget friendly. I think here there's a pepperoni. Pero it's big eh. So we're gonna get this beef gourmet pepperoni. It's only 10 reals. And 150 grams. Pinoy station area ng mga food. I need to buy some nuts here. Yung mga nuts. Cashew, mixed nuts. Ayun, look, the walnut. In the US, let's ask Ate. This one, the mixed nuts. This is just worth 5 reals of mixed nuts that I'm going to use for my charcuterie for this new year. Going to buy some cheese on the triangle one. I used to buy this for pasalubong in Pinas. Then I'm putting it there. So which one ba ang magandang bilhin dito na mura? Here, I think I can buy small piece from here. Ayan, it's only 5 reals lang oh. Yung ganito, pang dagdag ko sa charcuterie, isang piraso na. Ito mas mura. Ito mas mura, 450. Mas mura to 450 si Picon. Ito, mahirap ka kalaro. Picon eh. Ito yung mga grapes. Kaya lang wala na. I'm gonna buy... meron pa kayong grapes? Kukuha na lang ako doon.
Doon pa lang mamimili.
Okay, of course, we're gonna buy some crackers. Or yeah, this one, the circle. It's Ritz. This one is fine. It's only 125. So let's get two. Let's get two. Sure. First, I'm getting one. Blue cheese is just 11. 39 reals. It's 73 reals per kilo. Like that. So this is the price of oranges here. Di ba mas mura kaysa sa Pinas? Mura lang yan. Parang the same lang din. Mas mura lang ng konti. Ano? Hindi, mas mura talaga dito. Mas mura naman talaga dito. So, this is the price of lettuce here. 450, from Egypt, 550, Syria, Qatar, 550. Diba? Mura. Kumpara sa Philippines. Times 15 lang. That's the price of Dubai. Cheap here. And nakakamiss din mag-grocery shopping here. Sabihin mo after 5 years, kabalik ako dito. Grocery shopping for the new year later. Mura pa din siya, although nadagdagan ng konti mga prices ng goods. Pero compared to the Philippines, sobrang mura here pa din. Hi, Matalas. Are you done grocery shopping? Oh, yan. Oh. Olive oil. It's so cheap.
Yan ang bigat agad.
Yeah, before this was just 5 reals per pack. And then, 250. Nagtaas na ng konti. Grabe nakakamiss mag-grocery shopping sa Lubi. Ngayon yung mga hot food, yung bakery. Mura lang din yung kubos dito. O, yan yung binibenta ni Papa Chef. Biryani. Chicken biryani, 500 grams, 13.5. Chicken makbush. This makbush is also like kapsa. are cheap here. Compared in the Philippines, malalaki na siya, mura na. Of course, chocolates, the Galaxy, the famous Galaxy here in the Middle East. And it's just cheap. When I go back to the Philippines, pag malapit na, I'm gonna shop for some chocolates to give away. Especially the Galaxies. Frozen products here. Mura pa din though, nagkaroon na konting changes sa price, but still cheap. There you are! May Starbucks oh.
Bawal na daw eh.
Hi, Matalas! That's so cool. That's a push cart. Push cart with a baby's car. Hi, Matalas. How are you doing there? You're driving? Beep, beep.
Nandito sa may dilaw.
Kaya mo uminom ng mga chicken hot dogs. Okay na, kahit ano, kukuha lang kapraso. Oh, pure foods here is pricey because it's from the Philippines. Most popular butter here in Doha and other Middle East countries. They're pot.
Giniling.
Opo, yan. Ako binibili ko giniling yun nasa ano lang naka-plastic. Dati. Boom! The arugula here is or gerger is cheaper than in the Philippines because it's just 12 per kilograms. That is just like 100 plus lang yan per kilo. Bumili ka ng isang ganito. Why didn't you get one? I want it. For salad, veggie salad. The coconut here is $2.75 per piece. It's mga baguettes. Octopus. Yung bakery. Yes! Kilo pa kilo. Papakulo natin yung veggies na kinuha natin. Ayun, yung layo ng pila ni Papa June. Wawa June is going to pila. He's going to line up. Oh, there's Wawa, he's falling in line to make kilo here. Pila ka dyan, sourdough. Hindi ka makagawa nito kung walang starter. Lagi na mamatayan si Papa ng starter. So, ang ginagawa niya artisan bread, parang mga pang baget lang. Ito is original kaya ito na sourdough. Let's see. Let's find out later. So, the arugula here or gerger in Arabic. It's just
Less than 20 pesos.
for this
Full bunch.
whole bunch. It's just real 16. It's just like 15 or 16 pesos. O, diba? Ang dami na yan. But if you buy this in the Philippines, it's gonna be very expensive. Grabe, it's smooth.
Ay, nahanap na tayo cheese.
Ayan. So, our turn. Yeah, in the Philippines, there's no like this, oh. Yung nagmo-move. Yeah, this one, it has and Matalas, you're helping mommy. Sige, dyan na kayo magbibideo ako. Tapos ano yung eating? Cheese?
Yeah. It's milk.
Yeah, it's milk.
Yung itlog mo ah.
Ito.
Pang ano ko?
Unstuck. Oo, kasi mas maraming food.
Kaya meron pa rin mga ano.
Total 500.
Sabagay na to.
Baka lang. Oh, ang galing ko, oh. 559. Galing ko, no? Total.
Nag-buffet tayo.
Parehas lang. Ay, hindi, mas mahal. 300.